I want to learn more. I want to learn more. I choose to study abroad. I choose to study abroad. I pack my bags. I pack my bags. I say goodbye to family. I say goodbye to family. I get on a plane. I get on a plane. I arrive in a new country. I arrive in a new country. I meet new friends. I meet new friends. I go to school there. I go to school there. I learn new things. I learn new things. I listen to teachers. I listen to teachers. I speak a new language. I speak a new language. I explore the city. I explore the city. I visit famous places. I visit famous places. I try new foods. I try new foods. I take lots of photos. I take lots of photos. I write about my day. I write about my day. I call my family. I call my family. I feel excited. I feel excited. I miss home sometimes. I miss home sometimes. I make memories. I make memories. I learn and grow. I learn and grow. I return home happy. I return home happy.